I have my 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. I installed my LEDs about 2 weeks ago. Love them, they're bright, just a few things wrong with them. My high beam light constantly stays on. This is when I flash it, this is with it off. Very annoying. And a lot of the time they flicker from low and high beam like crazy. So it definitely bugs people. It's hard to tell in video, but they flicker like crazy. If I leave them on high beam, they're fine, but if I leave it normal stage, they just tweak out like crazy. No idea why. I checked everything, they work perfectly. Every connection's fine, they just, as you can see, they tweak out like crazy. Like I said, video is really hard to tell, but they just flicker like crazy, no idea why. Only when they feel like it. But yeah.